Hi students, in this video we will discuss about the Einstein's photoelectric equation. Okay, to explain the photoelectric effect, Einstein postulated that light consists particles are called photons. Okay, light consists the particles. Those particles are called photons. The energy of each photon is h nu. Okay, according to Einstein. According to Einstein, light consists particles. Light consists particles. So those particles are called photons. Okay, photons. The energy of each photon E is equal to h nu. So this is the energy of the photon, Planck's constant, and the frequency of the incident radiation. So now, what is the Einstein's photoelectric equation? So now, this is a metal surface. So this is a light source. This is a incident light. That's the radiation. So when the energy E is equal to h nu, this amount of energy of photon is incident on the metal surface. When this amount of energy of photon E is equal to h nu amount of energy is incident on the metal surface, this amount of energy, so this energy E is equal to h nu amount of energy is utilized in two ways. So okay, this energy is utilized this metal surface in two ways. Okay, some of the energy from this energy, some of the energy is utilized to liberate the electron from metal surface, and remaining energy is used to give the kinetic energy to electron. Okay, when the certain amount of energy of photon is incident on the metal surface, so this energy is utilized in two ways. Okay, according to law of conservation of energy, we cannot destroy, we cannot create the energy, but we can transform from one form to another form. So as like that here, this amount of energy is when this amount of energy is incident on the metal surface, this energy is utilized in two ways. Okay, so what is the energy which is incident on the metal surface? That is h nu. So okay, in this h nu amount of energy, some of the energy, some energy is used to liberate the electron from metal surface. Remaining energy is used to give the kinetic energy, give the maximum kinetic energy to the electrons. So this is the distribution of energy. So when this amount of energy of photon is incident on the metal surface, some of the energy is utilized to overcome the work function or liberate the electron from the metal surface, and remaining energy is used to give the kinetic energy to electrons. Okay, we can write this E is equal h nu equal to, so we can write mathematically, this is the energy which is incident on the metal surface. This energy is used in two ways. So one is to liberate the electron, that means to overcome the work function, we have to supply some energy. So that minimum energy is called work function. So this work function is indicated by phi naught. Sometimes this is indicated by W, sometimes this is indicated by phi naught. So and remaining energy is used to increase the kinetic energy of the electrons. That means kinetic energy of the electron. So okay, this is the mathematical expression of the photoelectric equation. H nu amount of energy is instead on the metal surface. Okay, this amount of energy is utilized in two ways. So some amount of energy is used to overcome the work function or liberate the electron from metal surface, and remaining energy is used to increase the kinetic energy to electrons. Okay. So to liberate the electron from metal surface means to move the electron. Okay, to move the electron from atom. So that is a liberation. So and also remaining energy is used to give the kinetic energy to electrons. So this is a photoelectric equation. So in this equation, what is phi naught? Phi naught is equal to work function. Okay, this is work function. So we can write this work function phi naught is equal to h nu naught. Next, kinetic energy. Ke means that is the maximum kinetic energy of the electrons. Maximum kinetic energy of the electrons. So that is of mv square, of mv max square. So okay, maximum velocity. So this is a kinetic energy. Substitute these two in equation 1. Okay, from equation 1, so we can write this h nu amount of energy equal to phi naught means h nu naught plus kinetic energy means of m v square. Okay, from this equation we can write of m v square, v max square equal to h nu minus h nu naught. We can take common h from these two terms. Remaining term is nu minus nu naught. M v max square. So this is our photoelectric, Einstein's photoelectric equation. So this is also Einstein's photoelectric equation. This is also Einstein's photoelectric equation. In this equation, what is m? M means mass of the electron. Okay, V max means that is a velocity, maximum velocity of the electrons. Maximum velocity of the electrons. H means Planck's constant. Okay, nu means that is the frequency of incident radiation. Incident radiation. So next, nu naught means that is the frequency, threshold frequency of the metal surface. Threshold frequency. So these are the terms in this equation. Okay, remaining topics we will see in next video. Okay, thank you.